What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to Total Technology. So today I'm gonna continue the Neo4J Cypher series with Python. So today's topic will be let me open this thing, string operators, and there are two types of string operators available within Cypher. So one is for concatenating string and one is for matching the regular expression. So if someone is from programming background, having knowledge of any programming language, then like he or she will know what is this thing. And if someone is new to programming, that's all, and like this is not going to be an issue. Concatenation means, so when you are like matching to like not matching for regular expression, we'll use the word matching. For concatenation means we are going to adding to string. For example, if someone's name is x and someone's surname is y, so if you concatenate two string, it will become xy. So that is the concatenation. And regular expression means you are going to match or find something within the string using some sort of pattern. For example, you are there is a word called India, and you are going to find if I and n is like having like what do you say, like adjacent position, like after I, n is there or not. If you are having this sort of pattern, you can use some sort of regular expression. So without wasting much time, let me just open the Cypher console, then it will be easier to understand. So I will use first concatenation operator. So let's take my name with Ronnie as A, thus as B, return A plus B as full name. So it will return Ronnie comma Das. So see, this is how concatenation works. So let me just update this thing in the slide. So this is very simple. Okay, now the regular expression. So for that we'll use something different and something tricky with India, Bolivia, and Japan as country list, unwind country list as country with country where use this operator. This is for regular expression matching operator, we have already seen. So we'll see if any of this word ends with ia. Okay, so dot star ia. So let's check. Return country. What is saying? Unexpected invalid input line column 10. I'm not sure what is the error. Let's remove all this thing. Unwind country list as country with country where country return. Let's try this thing. Yes, there's some problem with the comma, so India and Bolivia came. So if we let's give ZA dot star. So it should return only Japan, I believe. Yes, so this is how it works. So you understand now the concept of regular expression matching. So So this is very simple, but again, if you are not clear about your like simple programming concept, then it will be difficult for you to understand. So this is kind of difficult, but again, you have to understand this thing. So okay, and this is going to return Japan. So guys, that's all from Cypher. Now we'll be using the same thing from, and we'll see the same thing from Python, I mean from my Eclipse IDE. So same thing, I'm not going to write down the query or everything again and again, so I'll use, rather I will change this part only. So first we'll see this thing. Okay, so the result will be Japan here in this case as well. See, Japan. So as promised, I'll upload this thing in here as well. So duplicate slide, store string, regex operators using. So guys, now it will be very easier for you guys, and I hope you guys will feel comfortable now. So I don't need any of this thing. Okay, so this is the code, and for another video, sorry, another slide, we'll use string operators, string concatenation in Python. Okay, so in that case we'll also use the same code from here. Yes, so code is here, so we'll use the same code. So this is very simple guys. See, I'm not doing like same thing again and again, so now the time has been saved a lot. So I highly encourage and recommend you guys to do some sort of practice, then it will be easier for you to understand. See, the result is same, so I will use the same thing here. Okay, I'm not sure why it is giving, so excuse me for the typos guys, I'm not sure what is happening, but again, so that's all guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys like understood the concept, enjoying the video, and please feel free to get back to me if you guys are having still some doubt or clarification, recommendation, suggestion, or any feedback. And if you have any other topics you want to discuss, and if you, as I told you, if you want to have some sort of like use case or try to implement something, do let me know via our Facebook channel or anywhere. So we'll try to help you out guys. So I'll try to finish this course as much try to finish the like fundamental or main concept before end of this year, and try to start the actual series with the application development using Neo4j Python from January, means 2020 January. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. If someone is watching our video for the first time, please let me know via some sort of feedback, and please feel free to share our channel or videos with your friends, family, whoever is relevant. So that's all guys, once again, bye and have a nice weekend.